Hi guys, so this video is to show you how to connect the FPV transmitter and then to the FPV monitor. Okay, so this one is a 7-inch FPV monitor. So we just turn on the monitor, so you can see it's like actually will automatically detect. Okay, but no signal now. Yeah, you can connect the antennas here. When you purchase this, right, they will provide you like 2 antennas. Okay, so yeah, this is the 2 antenna they provide together when you purchase it. Okay, you can change the antenna like to others antenna, Okay, so this one is 5.8. They can support like 5.8 gigahertz. Okay, so once connect, done. So yeah, so let's connect the power to the battery cell, and then you can see the screen. They actually will automatically detect the FPV from the transmitter. Okay, so the camera, yes, you need to turn. Yeah, so you can see actually the camera now is like turning on. Okay, yeah, so it's quite clear. Okay, so you also have like some mode here. You can change the mode. Okay, so we also can change the mode actually. Yeah, so here have like few type of mode. You can change here like SCR. Okay, so this one is like the antenna A here, antenna A, and then you press again, they will go to antenna B, and then if you press again, they will go to the RF diversity. That means they will automatically detect which one is better, then they will use it. And then yeah, when you want to search and you find the signal, right, you can just press here. Okay, they will automatically search for the channels. Okay, if you want to do it manually, you can just you can change the channel and the band. Okay, so you just change the channel, then you can see the channel here, they will become like 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this one is a band like A, B, C, D, E. Okay, and then F. Okay, this one is I change the channel, and then this one is change the band of the channel. Okay, so you have a menu, you can change like the contrast, the brightness. Okay, and then the colors and volume as well. Okay, so yeah, so that's all for how to connect the FPV camera transmitter and then to the FPV monitor. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.